These can be trying times for everyone, but there's so many people that are experiencing domestic violence at home. But this is an important time if you're really ready to put an end to domestic violence to make sure you talk to the right attorney. And I believe that I can be that attorney for you. As a child of domestic violence, I understand the impact that this has, the stigma that this has on so many women who are going through this in silence, but you don't have to do that for long. In New Jersey, there are things in place to protect victims of domestic violence. You can get a temporary restraining order and then convert that restraining order to a permanent restraining order. And that will keep the other party away from you and possibly your children. The domestic violence statute in New Jersey is very, very powerful. If you can go to court and get that final restraining order, that can give you the protection that you and your children need. But in order to do so, you have to show that the other party has committed what we call a predicate act. Now, that's an act of violence against you. Now, that can be a terroristic threat, that can be assault, that can be rape, that can be harassment. But you have to demonstrate that something has happened to you. And then you also have to prove to the court that you're still afraid and that there is a need for an order of protection. As I said, protection order is very powerful because it can keep that person out of your home. It can make that other person pay you spousal support and child support. So the court doesn't take this lightly. But if it's time for you to get that protection, then you need to reach out and get the help you need today. Click the link below and make sure you reach out to someone at my office as soon as possible so that we can bring you in and give you that support and guidance through this system that you need. This is not something that you want to do alone. I don't want you to go to court to be re-victimized and be re-traumatized because you don't understand this process. This is something that you do not need to do alone. Please make sure you give me a call today so that we can set something up for you so that we can begin to work on your case right now.